Hey, if you're an entrepreneur, I'm willing to bet you know that feeling. Just being buried in financial details. It's a lot. So today, we're going to talk about the path from all that chaos to what we're all after, real financial freedom for your business. Let's dive right in.
So, does this whole juggling act look a little
Familiar?
Yeah, if you run your own business, I'm guessing it hits close to home. It's this constant push and pull, right? You're trying to be the chief operator, the grand strategist, and the person who has to make sure the lights stay on.
And that balancing act, that really gets to the absolute heart of the small business challenge. It's all about trying to manage this nonstop stream of competing priorities, where absolutely everything feels urgent and like it's the most critical thing for your success.
Just think about all the pressures you're facing. On one hand, you've got the daily fires you have to put out, just keeping the operations running. And on the other, you're supposed to be doing this high-level, big-picture thinking about long-term strategy. And holding it all together, that constant need to drive profit in a financial world that, let's be honest, can feel super complex.
So how in the world do you handle all that? Well, here's the secret. It's not about being an expert in everything. No way. It's about finding the right partner. The real goal here is to have someone on your team who's actually helping you make smarter, more informed decisions. And making those better decisions. It all starts with one thing: control. Seriously, you just can't steer the ship if you don't have a clear map of where you are right now. And that foundation, it's all about getting a firm grip on your bottom line.
And what is that map? It's your bookkeeping. Look, it is so easy to just dismiss this as, tedious data entry, but that totally misses the point. It's the system that gives you that clear, accurate, real-time picture of your business's health. It's literally your company's vital signs.
Okay, so this is the actual path from just having raw data to getting real insight. It starts simple. You handle the books. Then you reconcile every single transaction to make sure it's all accurate. From there, boom, you can generate professional financial statements. And that's where the magic happens. Because now you can finally analyze your costs and really manage your expenses with total confidence. And once you have that clarity, oh man, everything changes. You can start spotting these hidden opportunities to bring in more revenue. You can manage expenses with surgical precision instead of just guesswork. All of a sudden, these really practical things like making collections easier or optimizing your inventory, they become so much more straightforward. Why? Because the data is right there, pointing you in the right direction. All right, so once you've built that solid foundation of control, you unlock the next level. This is where things get really interesting. We're moving away from just managing the day-to-day and into achieving some real, tangible financial rewards. And we're going to start with taxes.
And here's a question every single business owner has to ask themselves. Honestly, are you confident you're not missing out on potential tax savings? The tax code is just a beast, right? It's complex, it's always changing, and without an expert eye on it, it is just so easy to leave money on the table. And that's money that belongs in your business.
This is where a professional accountant becomes your safety net. And look, it's not just about filing corporate taxes once a year. No, it's about the whole picture. Integrating your personal returns, handling all that complex HST and payroll stuff, and this is key, proactively hunting for every single tax credit you're entitled to. And here's the really crucial point. Saving money on your taxes, that isn't just some nice little bonus. It is a direct driver of your profitability. Think about it. Every single dollar you save is another dollar you can pour right back into growth or into hiring great talent or innovating in your business. But we're not done yet, because the role of a true financial partner goes way beyond just recording history and filing taxes. They actually help you write the future of your business. This is where we move beyond the balance sheet and step into the world of real strategy.
I want you to really think about the difference here. On one side, you have a tax preparer. They're reactive, right? They look at what's already happened just to make sure you're compliant. But a strategic advisor, they are proactive. They take that exact same financial data and use it to look forward, to help you set goals and actually drive growth.
And this kind of guidance, it goes deep. I'm talking about things like forecasting your next 5 years, valuing your company because maybe you want to sell one day, navigating those super complex SR&ED claims, or even structuring your personal estate plan. This is what a true partnership really looks like.
Okay, so what does this all add up to? What's the big takeaway here? It's really about a fundamental shift in how you think about this. You're not just hiring a service provider. You are building your core financial team.
It really all comes down to this. Your accountant shouldn't be some outsider you talk to once a year. They should be totally integrated into your operations. They should be that key team member who translates all the numbers into a language you can actually use to run your business better, smarter, and with way more confidence.
So that's the journey we've been talking about, right? From chaos to clarity. It all starts with gaining control. That leads to real, tangible savings through expert tax help, and it all culminates in a true strategic partnership. Every single step is designed to move you away from just managing your finances and toward achieving real, honest-to-goodness financial freedom.
So, I'm going to leave you with one final thought. Take a hard look at your own business, at the team you've got around you right now, and ask yourself, is your financial partner just helping you report on the past? Or are they actively helping you build the future you actually want?